See the create option, count, insert, delete, search, insert as a first and reverse. Now these two are the library files, header files. You have to call stdio.h and stdlibrary.h. Now this is a type def where it's a structure where type def is inside the structure where two components are there, data and next. Okay. Now node is the abstract data type. So node is nothing but a structure variable, okay, of structure node create. Now here we have defined the main function after the we have defined these are functions after the main functions. Okay, so that's why we need to declare the functions we have used. So void is a return. We have to define the return type, name of the function, and the parameter we are passing. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 functions we have defined. Now in main function head is the head store, starting address of the head, okay, starting address of the linked list, and in head we store one memory portion, content of the memory portion. Okay, so that means we are passing head, means we are passing one head. Now while is a infinite loop where the options are there. So if 1 to exit, 2 for create, 3 for print, 4 for count, 5 insert any node, 6 for delete, 7 search any element, 8 for insert as a first, 9 to reverse the content of the list. Now here we have used the switch case statement. So if case 1, call the exit function. If case 2, call the create function. If case 3, call the print function. If case 4, call the count functions, how many nodes are there. So in case 5, call the insert as a first node function. Okay, so inside main function we can call the functions. So in case 6, delete the function and delete function, and case 7 for searching a data searching function. In case 8, reverse insert as a first node function, and in case 9, reverse the content of the list, reverse the list. Okay, now after when we have defined all the functions, this is the create function. Next, this is the print function we have defined. Okay, we are passing the parameter list where so list is a actual parameter here, formal parameter here, and in count these are parameters. Now search function, next insert function. Okay, next you can see that next we can see the delete function, insert as a first function, and reverse the list. Okay, now we can run this particular to create. Now enter the data type -999 to exit. Suppose you want to insert 1 2 3 4 5 and -999 to exit from the list. Okay, now to know the content of the list, so press 3. So total 1 2 3 4 5, this is the linked list content. Now how many data are there? So we can press 4. So 4 for count, so you can just press 4. Okay, total 5 data are present, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now insert any node. So fifth one. Now enter the data after which you want to insert. Suppose after 3 we want to insert. Okay, the data present in third position, the 3 is there. Now enter the data you want to insert. Now suppose you want to insert 30. Now you can see after 3, 30 is there. Next we can delete 6 1. Now here enter the data you want to delete. So actually it will be that enter the data after which you want to delete. Suppose after 3 we want to delete. So after 3 the 30 is not there. Next is search any element. So press 7. Now enter the value you want to search. Suppose whether 4 is there or not. Okay, the data present in 4th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4th position. Now we want to search a data. Suppose another data. Suppose 7 for search. Suppose 50 is there or not. So the 50 is not part of the list. So the data not present. Okay. Next, we can create the 8 as insert as a first. Now enter the data to insert as a first node. Just press. Suppose you want to insert 0 here. Now after insertion, you can see the first node is the 0. First data is the 0 data, and 9 is the reverse the content of the list. So press 9. Now you can say before reverse the content is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after reverse the data is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, and you can press once again 9 to see the reverse. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually now after reverse 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, press 1 to exit from the list. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, uh, in this video discuss linear linked list. Okay, singly linked list, create, print, count, insert, delete, search, insert as a first node, and revision. Now two header files are there, stdio.h and stdlibrary.h is a structure definition. Okay, so node create, two components are there, data and next. So type def is inside the structure, so node is the ADT, abstract data type. Now function declarations are there because these are the functions which we define after the main function. So the function names and the return types as well as the parameter types. In main function, head is the starting node. So in head we store address of one node. That means now onwards we will see this is nothing but we'll assume that head means one node. Okay, and while 1 is infinite loop, so 1 to exit, 2 to create, 3 to print, 4 to count, 5 insert any node, 6 delete, 7 search any element, 8 for insert as a first node, 9 for reverse the content of the list. Okay, so here we use switch case statement is with case 1, then exit. If case 2, then create head node. Case 3, then call the print function. If case 2, call the create function. Case 3, call the print function, and case 4, call the count function where we are passing the head parameter. Case 5, call the insert function. Case 6, call the delete function. Case 7, call the search function, and case 8, call the insert as a first node function, and case 9 is reverse the function. This is the function definition create. Okay, where we are passing the parameter list, display the content of the list. Okay, count the number of nodes, display the content of the list function, count the node, searching the node. Okay, the function is searching the node. Here insert a new node, delete a node. Okay, insert as a first node and reverse the content of the list. End of this particular program. Okay, now you just see one by one. Suppose we press 1, press 2, that means create a function called create function. We are passing the head. Now what is head? Head is a pointer type variable where we store address of any node. So we are passing one node. So this is nothing but our starting node. So head is nothing but our starting node. Okay, now this is just for example. You can write better algorithm, you can write better program. This is just one example. Okay, now void create node list. So list is this one where two parts are there, data part and the next part. Okay, now insert a data, list data, list data. Okay, if list data is equal to -999, then do not call the function. Okay, so actually you can see here when calling the function create function, enter the data, type -999 to exit. So if you type -999, you can exit from the program. So suppose the data is say 5. Okay, suppose in list data we store 5. So this is our 5. Okay, now 5 is not -999. So list next is equal to node asterisk malloc size of node. So in list next we create one node where, okay, and here in store in list next, this is nothing but our list. In list next we store address of another node. Okay, and create means call the same function recursively when we are passing the address of the next node. That means we are passing address of this particular node. Once again, scanf list data, you just put say 15. Now list data is equal to -999. No, we are passing 15. We are storing 15 here. List next. So now list is this one because we are passing this one. So list is what? List next, this one. List next is equal to this one. So create one node and address store content of the another node. Create list next. We are passing this particular one. Now list is this one. Okay. Now list data is equal to -999. So here suppose you store in list data we store scanf, we store say 20. The condition is false. So create list next. In list next we store address of another node. And we pass create list next. That means we pass address of this particular node. Now suppose we press -999. So store -999. So now list data is equal to -999. Yes, condition is true. List next is equal to null. List next you just equal to put null here. Okay, and end of list. Okay, that is a create function. Now you can say print, display the content of the list. Now void print. So where we are passing, where print we are passing the head. That means we are passing the head address of this particular node. Okay. Now if you can do one thing, instead of writing list not equal to null, we can write while list next not equal to null. So list next not equal to null. Yes, condition is true because address of this node is there. Printf list data. So list data is what? 5. So print 5. Then list is equal to list next. So list is equal to list next means what? List is equal to this one. Now check list next not equal to null. Condition is true because address of this is there. So printf list data. So print 15. Then list is equal to list next. So now list is what? List is what? 20. This list is what? This particular node. List next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. This is the next part. This is the next part. This is the data part. Yes, condition is true because address of this node is there. So printf this one. Okay. So printf this one means what? Print 20. List is equal list next. Now list is equal to what? This one. List next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. Now the condition is false because null is there. So come out from the loop. So that is what will do. Now, count the number of data. Void count. So here we are passing where in count function we pass the head. Okay. We just suppose this is nothing but our head. So 5, 15, 20, and the last node is minus 999, and it is null. Okay, so count head. So we are passing the head here, passing the head address of the first node. So count void count node list. So we are receiving the list. So this is nothing but our list. Now increment x is equal to 0. So x is equal to, assume it is 0. List next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. Condition is true, x plus plus. So x is equal to 1. Okay, once again, list is equal to list next. So list is equal to this one. List next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. The condition is true because x plus plus. Now it is 2. List is equal to list next. Now list is equal to this one. List next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. Yes, not equal to because address of this node is there. X plus plus. So it is 3. List is equal to list next. So list is equal to this one. Okay. Now list next not equal to null. List next not equal to null. Now the condition is false. The while loop is false. This condition is false. Come out from the while loop. So total data are x. So total 3 data are present. Okay. So this is our count function. Next you can see the search function. We are passing two parameters head and y. Y value is the y is a key value we want to search for, and in list one we store the return address, return value. So what is list one? List one is a pointer type. You can see here list one is a pointer type. So the search function should return a pointer. So search function should return a pointer. That's why node asterisk search. The return type is the pointer type. Clear? Now one counter is there, s is equal to 1. So in this particular situation, suppose the situation is like that: 5, 15, 20, minus 999. Okay. Now integer s is equal to 1. So s is equal to 1. While list not equal to null. List not equal to null. So what is list? List is nothing but the first node. This is nothing but our head. List is not equal to null. Condition true because in list address of this node is there. Okay. Now list data is equal to d. So suppose you want to search for say 15. So list data is equal to d. List data is equal to d. Now the condition is not true. Else list is equal to list next. So list is equal to this one and s plus plus. So s is equal to 2. Okay. Now while list not equal to null, no, because address of this is not there. List data is equal to d. Now list data is equal to 15 and we want to search 15. Now it is true. So return list. Okay. The data present in s position, that is the 15 present in second position, and return list. So it will return address of this particular node. Clear? And if the data is now, if suppose you want to search for 70 or not, whether 70 or not, okay, 70 is there or not. So list data, list not equal to null, the condition is true because list is somewhere over, this is the first node. Now list data is equal to d, no, condition not true. List is equal to list next, increment s. So list is equal to this one. List is not equal to null, condition is true because address of this node is there. List data is equal to d, list data is equal to d, no, it is 15, it is 70, not true. Execute the else part, list is equal to list next. So this one. Then once again check list not equal to null, list not equal to null, condition is list not equal to null, condition is true. If list data is equal to d, 20 70, no, so it will return, it will not return. So else part list is the list next. Now list is equal to this one. Now list data is equal to d, list data is equal to minus 99, it is 70, printf. So the condition is not true, else part list is the list next. Now list is list next, in list next null is there, so in list it is null. Now list is not equal to null, now this condition is false. If this condition is false, then that means now this particular not true. Now list is equal, not, now list is equal to true, no, it is null. So don't do anything, don't execute this one. So printf the data not present, return null. Okay, so if the data is present, it will return the list. Okay, and if the data is not present, then it will return not return. So next, insert a new node. Void insert. Suppose you want to insert a new node. Node, suppose void insert node list. So this is our list, two integers are there, a and b. Node list 1, list 2, two pointers are there, list 1 and list 2. Printf, enter data after which you want to insert. Suppose you want to insert after 15, here we want to insert, okay, after 15. Now list 1 is equal to search. So in the previous case we have said search function, so search will return the address of the list where the data is present, list. So list 1 hold the node after which we want to insert. So after 15 we want to insert, okay, so list 1 hold address of the node after which we want to insert. Enter the data you want to insert. Okay, suppose you want to insert say 16, clear. So create list 2, this is our list 2, okay, and in list 2 we store the b value. B is nothing but 16, so b is equal to 16, b is equal to in b we store the 16 value, okay. So list 2 is equal to data b. Now list 2 next is equal to list 1 next. So list 1 next is what? This one, and this is our list 2, this is our list 2. So you can see here we should store address of this node. Suppose here it is x20, here it is x15, and here it is x16. Initially x20 is somewhere here, okay, so here we store address of this node x20. So x20 is in what? In list 1. So list 2 next means this particular portion, list 2 next is equal to list 1 next. List 2 next means here we store list 1 next 20, so transfer 20 here. So this is x20 minus connect these two. Next list 1 next, list 1 next, here we store address of this node. So in address of list 2, list 2 is there. In list 2 we store address of this particular node. So list 1 next is equal to list, means here we store x16. So connect this one, okay. So in this way you can insert. Next, delete node, okay. So void delete node. So suppose you want to delete a node, okay. So list 1 list 2 so list 1 list 2 two pointer type, list 1 list 2 two pointer type variables are there, okay. Now enter the data you want to delete. Suppose you want to delete 15. Now search function will return address of this node, okay, and list 1 in list 1 identify that particular node, okay. If list 1 is equal to null, if it is null, that means delete not possible because the node is not there. Else list 2 is equal to list 1 next. So basically here enter the data after which you want to delete. Enter the data after which you want to delete. Suppose you want to delete the data node after 15, that means you want to delete this particular node. Okay, so list 11 search. So list 11 is what? List 11 is what? This one. Okay, so and list 22, this is list 22, that means you want to delete this particular node. Clear? Now, so if you want to delete this particular node, so here we have to store, here we have to store address of this node. So list 11 next, list 11 next is equal to list 22 next. So in list 22 next null is there. Now put null here, and that is not, this particular line is not required. This particular line is not required. Free list 22. Okay, so just free this particular part. Okay, now insert as a first node. You can write another program, insert as a first node. Suppose five, 10, 15. Okay, so we are passing the node you want to insert as a first node. Okay, in list 4. Okay, so node asterisk list, node asterisk list 4. Okay, this is a list, is nothing but this one. Now already passing the node as well as already we have inserted the data. Okay, already we have inserted the data, so assume we have inserted 1 here. Okay, so this is list 4, this is list 1. Now you can see here list 4 next is equal to list. So list 4 next is equal to list. So here we store address of this. So if it is x5, it is x5. Okay, list is equal to list 4. Now in list we store address of the first node. Okay, now this is, so list is equal to list 4 means now this is list. Now this is the first node. Okay. Now we can see reverse the content of the reverse the linked list. Now you can see here you can see, just note this down this one. Here you can see the basic concept is, suppose this is our linked list. So 5, 10, 50. So this is our list or head. 5, 10, 15. Pick up the second element and insert as a first. So that means the situation is 10, 5 and 15. Next, pick up this element and insert as a first. So 15, 10, 5 and put null here. Now we can say the initial list is what? 5, 10, 15. Now it is 15, 10, 5. Okay, so you can see, if you can see here, so every time we are calling insert as a first function. Okay, and we are executing this particular function. Okay, and that is the reverse function. So already we have discussed about the reverse function, insert as a first. Okay, this is what deleting a function, insert a function node, searching a node, count a node, count number of node, print and create. And thank you very much. Now